Hi, welcome to another video brought to you by Autowave. In this video, we're going to show you how to register and set up your XTool H6 Pro. So, it's very easy to do. This is a brand new device, fresh out of the box. I want to turn on the device and let's see how we do it. So when you receive the device, you will have some charge in the actual tablet. You can connect it to the main power, but obviously I know I've got some charge in, so I'm just going to do it this way. You've got to have your Wi-Fi network ready, and as you see that little Ferrari roll up, then you know you're in business. So we're going to hit start to activate. It says the current network is not connected. Click the OK button to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to hit OK, and then it will show me what Wi-Fi networks are available. We're obviously at Autowave HQ. Now we've got a special network set up just for device upgrades. So I'm just going to connect to that one. There's no security on there, makes it nice and fast. And there we go, it says connected. So now I'm just going to hit back and then I'm going to hit start to activate again. So this is where you put in your company name. So I've entered my company name and email address. Now I'm just going to hit OK. So we've registered the device. I'm going to hit OK. So now that we've registered the device, I'm just going to go to the main screen, and I did that by hitting this little van button. Now obviously it's a brand new device and we need to update all the applications and download all the software. So now we'll just hit app update and let it update. Right then, so now that we see that it's downloaded the app update, it says do you want to install? I'm going to hit install. This will now install the new application, which is the main software interface. So it says app installed. I could either hit done or open. I'm going to hit open. So now this is opening the main XTool app once again, and it's the latest version. So now I'm going to hit update. We're still connected to the Wi-Fi network, so it will now connect to the XTool servers and download all of the updates. And this will then make the device fully up to date and usable. It's very important you do this when you buy the device because it won't have all the latest software on there. And again, this being an EU version, this will download all the EU software. So as you can see, it's got all of these that need downloading and updating. So I've got all those updates. I'm going to now hit update all. And as you'll see, it will now just download and install all of the updates. Right then, as you can see, all the software is up to date. So if I come back out of there, if I go into update again, it will connect again to the server, which is good practice to do because there's so many frequent updates that sometimes when you're updating, another update will just come out. So I'm just checking that out now, making sure that there's nothing that I need to download again. First time you do this, it should take about, the full update would take about 20 minutes. So here we go, all software is up to date. Go back out of here, hit diagnosis. As you will see, if I go to Europe, got all the menus. If I hit services, it's quite important that if I go to immobilization, it's downloaded all of my EU software as well. So for example, if I go to Dacia EU, Opel EU, Renault EU, plus a few more, and that's got the most recent and up-to-date software. So there we go. That's how to activate and download the latest software on your XTool H6 Pro. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel. All products are available at autowave.co.uk.